Witches has to keep you in poverty so that they can keep on prospering. What do I mean? The reason why poverty is a big thing in most of our lives is because when we don't have, we have to ask, we have to borrow, we have to lend, right? And in most cases, as evil as the world is today, majority of people on earth performs witchcraft. So we have to ask them, we have to get from them. In that way, they can curse the money they send to you. They can tell the money because money has an ear. Money has an ear. It listens to a voice. They tell the money, as I give it to A, B, and C, every blessing that is coming the way of that person from God, let it transfer to me. At night you sleep, here comes a demon of poverty to come transfer whatever was on your way, whatever was on the way to you. So that is how they keep you in a cycle of poverty so that they can keep on prospering. How do you break that? Seek the Lord. It's the Lord who knows man's heart. It is He who could tell you that your best friend is your worst enemy. It is He that can tell you that your mother is being the one that has been sacrificing you, trading you. It is the Lord. But these type of secrets for us to prosper, for us to go in the abundant life, is by seeking the Lord. Because evil has to come out of our lives first before good things from heaven comes into our lives.